The old carburetor. This is so simple. You basically unscrew these these nuts to the air filter. Pop that out. Clamp the fuel line. Squeeze this little tiny clamp right here. And the fuel line comes right out. And this is held firmly with nothing. Literally, these bolts that hold the air filter in place also holds the carburetor in place. So once the air filter bolts are out, or the air filter bolt nuts are loosened up, pull the air filter and the carb slides right out. This line was the biggest pain in the ass on earth, and it's a tiny little connection right there. So I need 2 pairs of needle nose to pry it out. Anyway, I finally got it out. These are very self-explanatory once you look at them. This little bar lifts right up, right there, and there's another one, a smaller one below it. It's real skinny right there. So then you swap out the old one, put in the new one, and make sure the fuel line's back in place. Anyway, I need 2 hands for this. Almost. I'm sure you've seen these a million times before. With 2 hands, they're really easy to do. With 1 hand, it's a pain in the ass.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're all just sitting around waiting for the right opportunity.